Welcome to Poseidon Asset Intelligence, Poseidon Systems' cloud-based solution for monitoring asset health, reviewing alerts, and taking action. Before you log in for the first time, your organization will need to provide basic setup information, including asset names and location, along with your username and email. This information allows Poseidon to organize your monitored assets into the correct hierarchy and make sure each user has access to the right information. Once your account is ready and we have assigned your assets, you will receive an email with instructions to create your password. Start from that email, follow the password creation link, and set a secure password for your account. After your password is created, you will be directed to the Poseidon AI login page where you can sign in. After logging in, you will arrive at the Poseidon Asset Intelligence homepage. This is your personalized dashboard. It gives you a quick snapshot of the assets you have permission to view, their current priority status, recent events, and any charts you have chosen to pin for quick access. The Asset Priority Status section helps you quickly identify which assets need attention. Assets are grouped by priority, so you can focus on the most important items first. Critical indicates that the asset needs immediate attention. High indicates elevated concern and should be reviewed soon. Medium suggests that the asset should be reviewed when practical. Low indicates no immediate action is required. OK means the asset is currently operating within expected conditions. Under review indicates that the asset requires a user to review the data and assign the appropriate priority. The homepage also includes a recent events area. Events are used to log important activity, such as priority changes, maintenance notes, comments, alert activity, or other updates related to an asset. You can open the event timeline to review activity over time and filter events by different criteria. At the bottom of the home page, you may also see pinned charts. These are custom charts selected for quick viewing. If no custom charts have been created or pinned, this section may be empty. User settings are available at the top of the page. This is where you can manage your notification preferences. Add or update your phone number for text alerts. Enable email notifications. Change your password and adjust your display preferences. If you want to receive text alerts when configured alarms are triggered, make sure your phone number is entered and text notifications are enabled. On the left side of the screen, the navigation menu shows the company, locations, assets, and devices available to your account. Selecting the company name opens the company page. This page acts as a standardized dashboard for the full company view, giving you a broader look at asset priorities, events, triggered alerts, devices, and data points. The data plots and overview sections will vary depending on the sensors and devices installed across your assets. Use the time selector at the top of the page to choose the date range you want to review. The selected time range controls the data shown in charts and event lists and follows the time zone used by your browser. One key difference between the home page and the company page is the Triggered Alerts section. Triggered alerts show active alerts that need attention. For example, if a measurement crosses a configured threshold, the alert can appear here along with related asset and device information. Depending on how the alert was configured, it may also change the asset priority and send an email or text notification to subscribed users. Alert thresholds are configured by Poseidon based on similar applications where appropriate. Users can also create personal alerts. The company page also includes a Devices section. Expanding this area lets you review monitoring devices associated with the company and check the earliest and latest data points available. This is useful for quickly reviewing data point history and confirming whether devices are reporting as expected. At the bottom of the company page, you can find and contact your account manager for additional support. Under the company in the navigation menu, you can also select individual locations. A location page works similarly to the company page, but the information is narrowed to asset and sensors at the specific location. Because each location may have different equipment installed, the charts and available data can vary from one location to another. Selecting an individual asset brings you to the asset page. This view focuses only on that asset and shows the data from the devices installed on it. The top of the page shows the asset's current priority, while the sections below provide charts, sensor data, device details, and event information. Charts on the asset page are interactive. You can adjust the time range, filter visible data, toggle plot lines, view thresholds when available, and export chart data. Plot lines can be used to display event markers or alert limits, which help connect changes in sensor data to alerts, maintenance actions, or other logged events. You can also create an event from the asset page. Events can be created manually by users to document comments, maintenance actions, inspections, or observations. Events may also be created automatically by alerts. Depending on where you create them, events can be associated with a company, location, or individual asset. Everything we have reviewed so far is found under the Navigation section. The Tools section provides additional features for reviewing data, managing alerts, reporting issues, and customizing the way information is displayed. The Events tool opens the full event timeline. From here, you can filter events by criteria such as time range, event type, asset, or location. This makes it easier to review the history of an asset and understand what happened before, during, or after a change in condition. The Bug Report tool allows you to report software issues to the Poseidon team. These reports help the team review potential problems and include appropriate fixes or improvements in the development plan. The Custom Charts tool allows you to build charts tailored to the data you want to monitor. To create a custom chart, choose Custom Charts from the Tools menu, add a new chart, enter the chart information, Select the plot type. Choose the attributes or sensor data you want to display. Add the assets, and then save and preview the chart. Once created, the chart can be made available from the related location and can also be added to the home page for quick access. The Frequently Asked Question, or FAQ section, provides answers to common questions. And the About section provides the software version, release date, and licensed information. Poseidon AI features and permissions may vary depending on your organization's subscription level and user role. Some users may have access only to view data, while others may be able to create events, manage alerts, build custom charts, or administer users and settings. If you do not see a feature covered in this video, your account may not include that permission, or the feature may not be enabled for your subscription. That concludes this overview of Poseidon Asset Intelligence. You should now be familiar with account setup, the home page, company and location views, asset pages, events, tools, custom charts, and subscription-based access. Use Poseidon AI regularly to monitor asset health, review sensor trends, document activity, and respond quickly when alerts indicate that attention is needed. For a more detailed overview, you can click on the question mark in the lower right-hand corner of the home screen to bring up the user manual.